name is Shante Pleasant, and I'm going to mention a few viable options as far as starting a home-based business related to the internet. Well, the first one I want to start talking about is something called a net auction business. But what I mean by a net auction business, I could say net auction business all day, but nobody knew exactly what I'm talking about until I mentioned one word: eBay. eBay.com. eBay is the net auction business, model of the future, the past, and forever to come. I recommend, if you want to start that type of business, I would get on eBay, learn from everyone else as far as looking at people, seeing what they're doing, learning from what they're doing, and getting different ideas on how they're formatting everything. And then they also have everything available for you on that site to kind of help you to start that type of a business. Internet net auction business is kind of a cool thing. Another type I'm going to talk about is building a website, and all of these in a roundabout way can kind of sort of be tied together. Like if you build a website to help promote your net auction business is another viable way to kind of build a business for the internet. You could also come up with a sort of a business called an affiliate marketing business. This is where you would have a website, back to a website, and you would have links coming from your website going to someone else's website. For example, you could have like your net auction items on your website, where they would also be on the company website. There are other different net auction companies. I just mentioned eBay because that's like the most one that people would understand if you talk about as far as a net auction business. The next thing I would talk about is you could kind of come up with something on the internet where you could be a sort of a person who would write for other people. There are companies, for example, Rent-A-Coder, Freelance.com. Those companies, people, you go on them. Say you're the person that's trying to get someone to do something for you. You would go to that site, you would put up a bid, and other people would bid on it as far as you trying to have that person to bid to do the work for you. Or on the flip side, that's if you're a company that needs some work. On the flip side, you could be a person who would be the one that would do the work. For example, quote, if you needed some articles written, you would go there, write on it, get it bidded, and the other person on the other side would be the one that would accept the bid, do the work, and then you would pay them. So there's ways to put together to create a business where you could either be the person that would actually do the work, not necessarily articles, they do other things on those sites, programming and all kind of other stuff too. So far, net auction business, creating a website to market your business, creating a sort of a, I guess now it's like, they call them content websites, and you would stick to like a single subject. In that way, you would be a more of a closed niche, that's what they call it, niche marketing, a closed niche business to where you'll be able to market that way. Another way as far as creating a website business, home-based website business, is where you create your own information product. That's, for example, you would write a book, a manual, or something like that, and get it copywritten, then you own it. And you could go to companies or places that would be your affiliate, where other people would sell it for you on their site. You sell it from your site and other people sell it for you, and you can split the profit from the percentage that you decided to use for that. That would be a form of an information product. Or you could become something like a website consultant. That's a person, website consultant is a person that could help other people create their website. For example, you could say, if I have a website, someone could help me to perhaps write it and get everything together and say, for example, review the stuff that I did to make sure that, in their opinion, that this could be a viable website for the future. It kind of goes hand in hand with a website marketer. A website marketer is a person that can help you. Well, this type that I'm talking about is a person, you can either market your own business and your own website and you're a website marketer. And the one particular one that I'm talking about now is one that's kind of helping other people to market their business, where they would help you with pay-per-click marketing, help you to learn about it and perhaps do it for you. Also help you with other website marketing, content marketing, perhaps give you a little information about Google AdSense and other viable things that are related to starting a business like that. I'm kind of just going on and on, but I just want to let you know and perhaps become aware of something called net auction. You build your own business, become a copywriter, start or perhaps sell products from an affiliate program, become an infopreneur, that's a person that creates products, perhaps have other people sell them in the form of an affiliate program, website consultant, and also website marketer. These are all hot, new, viable ways to perhaps get on that internet and get started, you know, with your future in internet marketing and with your own business out there. Thank you.